now we are going to root 3. Okay. Look. Right. Draw root 3 on the number line. 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 Okay. Draw root 3 on the number line. Look at here. First of all, first we draw root 2. Last class we discussed. Look. Okay. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Then you did here with compass or that's up to you. Okay. Here also 1 unit. This is A, B, join here. Then you did like this. This is our root 2. Okay. Again you draw a perpendicular here, 1 unit. Almost equal here. A, B, C, D here. Join OD. Then draw again. That means this is root 3. Okay. Draw first. Okay. You can try now. Yeah, write all the steps. You write all the steps. First, draw a number line. Okay. Then scale. You write one unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Then through A, draw perpendicular. Then then take OB, AB equal to 1 unit. Join OB. Okay. This is all you have to draw. How we? Okay, try this method now. Okay, this will be easy for you. Okay. Protractor, how useful it that may use it. Okay. If you're using protractor, use protractor or compass. That's up to you. Depends on the school. I don't get any reservation on that. Okay. It depends on school. If not possible, we can take any method, no problem. Okay. So finish or not? Root 3 finish. First you listen. First you draw. Last class you did root 2. Same root 2. You did look again. First you did here O1 again 1 unit. This is A. Here B. This is 1. This is 1. Join this one. This is root 2. Then mark this C here. This is root 2. Okay. Then draw a perpendicular again with protractor or compass. That is up to you. Depends on your school. Okay. Okay. Then join this one. Okay. That is OABD. Then here again E. So that means OE equal to OD equal to root 3. Right, like this. Then show the proof in triangle OED. In triangle OED. OD square equal to OE square plus DE square. That is OE is okay, not OE, OAB, okay, no, OED, correct, okay, OE square plus, okay, correct, D square, OE is root 2 whole square plus 1 square, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3, therefore OD equal to OD equal to root 3. Why Ahmad late? Azharuddin, why late? Ahmad, why late? Why internet issues? All every day internet issue. Okay. You follow one method. Okay. So don't go for every time changes. Okay. I'll show that for you. Okay. Look now. Look at here. Yesterday we discussed that method. Listen here. First you draw 0, A, 1 here. Then root 2. This is 1, here 1, root 2. Okay. Then here use the protractors method. Okay. Look at here. Draw again perpendicular. This is our 2. Join here. This is 1. This is root 3. When you draw here, it will be here. Okay. If you draw again, it is here. How much will be this one? Root of 4. It will come exactly touch here in 2 because you know that root of 4 is 2. Again draw. It will be what? Root 5. Again draw. Again draw. It will be root 6. Like that we can draw it. Okay. So here you can make. Okay, like this you can make it. Come on. See the last class student they did. I'll show you. Look. You can see or not? You can see? Yes or no? You can see or not? Okay. So another student did. This name is Ishida. Okay. This is the best one. Okay. Okay. This one. Look. Okay. Like that we can do it. Okay. That's you have to do one rough. You have to do one work. Look at here. I'll show you again how to do. Listen. Once again, listen all. No need to draw now. Hey. No need to draw now. Listen. First, draw a number line. Big one. Okay. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. You write the scale. 1 unit equal to scale 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Scale 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Then look at here. Then take 1 here. 1, 1. Here, this is root 2. You draw root 2. Again 1. This is 1, root 3. Again 1. This is root of 4. It come exactly touch 2. If not touching, something wrong with you. Then again 1. This is root of 5. It comes like this. Like this, you have to draw maximum. Draw and send me. The best one we select it. Sri Kumar, if take 2 centimeter, there will be changes in the formula. No changes, because if you take 2 centimeter or 10 centimeter, 1 unit is 10 centimeter only. In front of Pythagoras, that is 1 only. Okay, clear now? No, not root 5. You can, as much as possible, you can do it. As much as possible. Look, this is how many. Okay, we can do this one. We can do this method only, not other method. Okay, Shiva, Vishwa. Okay, you draw. Look at here. I'll tell you again. Listen. To draw the chain. Look. First of all, you draw. Listen all. First number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. Depends on your scale. That this one okay or not? Now anyone has problem with how to draw the number line? Sure. There. Number line okay. Okay. Then last class how we did root 2 draw perpendicular. The perpendicular depends on school whether you can use protractor or compass. That's up to you. Then here 1 unit, 1 unit. Join this one. This is root 2. This part understood? Anyone have doubt up to here? Okay. Then with the compass, take the compass and draw. This one, root 2. Okay. Next, we are going to draw root 3. Look. Here again 1 unit with protractor or compass. This is 1 unit. Join this one, root 3. Okay. Again with the compass like this. Okay. Then up here okay. Up here okay or not? Okay. Then now again you draw 1 unit. It's continuation. This is 1. So this is root of 4. Root of 4 is what? 2. So here. Okay. Then again 1 unit. This is 1. This is root of 4. Sorry, root of 5. It goes here. Again 1. This one root of 6. Go like this. Like this. You try. Maximum you try. Yeah, you have to do that as homework. Okay. Maximum you try. The best one you select it. Understood now? The best one with the scale and everything. The best one. These are the last year best. Will keep it in our notice board. Okay. Look, we have one notice board. This is the one. Okay. If you cannot see more, you can check in your reader. It is there. Okay. I'll send you one sample in our group. I'll send you one sample in our group. So no problem, right? Okay. Now we are going to do write the question down. This is a homework only. Write the question. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Look at here. I'll send you the parts, then you can check the okay the maximum limitation. I can show like this only. The problem is this online no. I cannot check your book. Okay, now look at here. How to show root. Okay, listen. Root 5. Always you keep it. Look at here. 5. We split into the perfect squares of 2 numbers. What is that? 5. We split into. Now don't type now. You listen here. Okay. Listen. 5. We split into 2. The 2 perfect squares. Which are the perfect squares? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, like that. So 5, what you can write? Is it 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is possible or not? No. So we can write this one 4 plus 1. So that is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. Are you okay? First of all, show hand. Don't ask me the question. You listen first of all. Okay? How can I answer it? I am explaining here now. Then you explain it. Okay. After the explanation, you can ask the question. So instead of what you asking, keep on asking me. Look at here. See, first of all, look at here. 5 equal to, listen, 5 equal to 4 plus 1. Look, what I said. First of all, you have to make it the sum of two perfect squares. Like, suppose 13, we can write what? 9 plus 4, like this. Correct or no? 13 equal to 9 plus 4. We can split into many ways. 10 plus 3, but 10 is not a perfect square. 3 also not a perfect square. Okay. Then 11 plus 1. 1 is a perfect square, but 11 not a perfect square. So we need sum of two perfect squares. Are you clear that part? Clear on that part? Listen. First of all, look. First of all, you make it the sum of two perfect squares. Okay. What about 17? How will make it? 17. How will make it? 17. How will make it? 16 plus 1. Okay. 8. How will make it? 8. 8. How will make it? Okay. Now listen here. When I explain time, don't ask me the questions. You answer me my questions. Okay. Look. So question you can ask after that. Look at here. Now listen. So first, the step number 1. Look at here. We are going to draw now. We finish root 2 finish, root 3 finish. Now we are going to root 5. Maybe you ask why not drawing root 4. You have any question like that? Why not drawing root 4? Because root 4 we know. Root 4 we don't know. Root 4 is what? 2. Only the we don't want to draw. Okay. Because root 4 is a rational number only. Okay. So root 5, we make it to 4 plus 1. We cannot make it 3 plus 2 because 3 and 2 are not perfect squares. So 4 plus 1, 2 square plus 1 square, like that. Okay. Now, look, and scale, you make the scale same. Okay, you can add scale top. Scale 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter, 1 inch. It's up to you. Okay. Then, look, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2. The homework questions when you draw should have a number line. Okay, should be on the number line. Okay, I have one question. Anyone absent last class? Anyone absent last class here today attended? Anyone? Because the problem then, anyone absent last class and today attending as a fresh? No one, right? Are you sure or not? Because this class is last class continuation only. So such a guy is not easy to understand. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. Okay. Now we can take base is 2. Not necessarily base 2. Okay. I took here base 2. Here 1. This is 2. Here 1. So A here, B here. Same idea of root 2. Join this one. This is now what? Root 5. Take the compass, make an arc. This will be root 5. Proof. Look. In triangle OAB, OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. This one 2. 2 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. Therefore, OB square equal to 5, OB equal to 4. Draw now. Okay. Okay, draw first. Okay, draw first, then I'll explain to you. Okay. Okay, that I'll show you. Okay. Everyone follow this method. After that, only we change the method. Okay. Do all like this. Okay. Look, the steps. Look at here. Once again, I'll tell you. The first scale. What you are going to do? Scale 1 unit equal to 1 inch. Okay. Scale depends on, you can take your own scale, no problem. Okay, that's up to you. Make a number line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. Okay. We want, our work is root of 5. Okay. So 5 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 2 square plus 1 square. So base here 2. Listen all, base is 2, A. Then height is 1, B. Join. Then we write OA square plus OB square equal to AB square equal to OB square. So 1 plus 2 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. So OB square equal to root 5, OB equal to OB square equal OB equal to root 5. This is root 5. Then like root 2, draw arc here. Then this will be the root 5. Okay, try. Draw first. Okay, draw first. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. When you want to have, okay, severe doubt, send me the picture. Then all I can tell you. Okay. Okay. So conclusion again. Conclusion means I told you no. Conclusion. The justification is saying. Okay. Look. Justification is OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. So 2 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. Therefore, OB square equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So OB equal to root 5. Okay. Are you okay now? Okay, listen here. Who's Nia? Who's Nia? Nia. Okay, look at here. Listen. Before starting, listen here. One method I already explained. That time, don't ask me, can do other method, this method, then why coming here? Such as students, leave it for the group. You can ask doubt after my explanation. Then I explain every method. No, there is no issue. Okay, but I'm doing one method in between. Why you asking? Then such as Harsha and all, leave it for the group. Okay. Now look at. I told you in the beginning. Construction, there is some limitation. There is because I'm not seeing what you're doing. Okay, not like other questions. Other question we can confirm the answer. This is not like that. So that's why you refer my note. After that, we can discuss whether you can do this way or that way and all. Okay. So now look at here. I'll tell you again how to show root 5. Don't ask me the scale. Scale, you take it. I don't entertain such a questions. Okay. Others, is it better take a centimeter or inch or meter? You take meter if possible. Okay. If you can take a meter, you take meter. No, there is no issue. Or kilometer, you take it. I don't entertain such a stupid questions. Scale depends on your decision only. You can take it. I suggest my method, 1 unit, 1 inch, or you can take 1 unit, 2 centimeter, or you can take it 1 unit, 1 centimeter. If you are expert, sometimes you are take like that, or you can take 1 unit, 3 centimeter. Okay, are you okay now? Regarding the scale, okay or not? Any question? Are you okay or not? Okay, then now there is no question regarding the scale. Okay, clear now? You decide it. Depends on the question. Are you okay or not? Now don't ask me that question again in the group. Okay, listen, scale compulsory. You should write scale. Okay, you can take. Okay, ask Saad, what's the doubt? I'm waiting. Come on, what is the question? What? Understand the part where you draw the line for 1 unit. That we discussed last class, no? Okay, anyway, listen now. I'm going to say that all. Listen here first. I'm just talking about, forget about that now. I'm talking about root 5 now. Okay, listen all. Okay, after this explanation, you can ask any doubts. So look at here. First of all, we are talking about scale. In that, any doubt, tell me. How to take the scale? Scale, you can select, okay, my suggestions, 2 centimeter, 1 unit, or 1 unit, 2 centimeter, or 1 unit, 1 inch, or 1 unit, 3 centimeter, okay, or 1 unit, 1 centimeter. These are my suggestions. You can take your own scale. Clear now? If you take 1 unit, 2 centimeter, everywhere 1 unit should be 2 centimeter or 1 inch. Any doubts about the scale? Tell me now. Anyone have doubt? Then don't ask me after this scale, sir, can you take this much scale? Sir, can you take this much scale? Okay, I told you that regarding the scale, it is fully your decisions. I cannot compel that one. My suggestion, you can take 1 unit, 1 inch, or 1 unit, 2 centimeter, like that. Now you decided. Okay. Now we are going to draw root 5. Listen here. Okay. So scale we fixed. Okay. And we know that 5 equal to 4 plus 1. We split into the sum of 2 perfect squares. That part is 5 equal to 4 plus 1. We split into the perfect sum of 2 perfect squares. This part clear or not? Anyone have doubt? Like if it is 8, 4 plus 4, 13, 9 plus 4, 17, 16 plus 1, like that. Okay, so that means we are going to, then we can write this is 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square plus 1 square. Okay. Otherwise, how you find out? Suppose you take 3 and 1. Now, if you not take, how you know which is the base, which is the height? How you come to know? Suppose 13 can take 11 and 1. Now, answer me. Now, answer. Can take 11 and 1. Okay. For 13, can I take 12 and 1? 12 plus 1, 13. How can I take it? So that's why I'm telling you. Take the sum of 2 perfect squares. Okay. Now here 5 equal to 4 plus 1. That is 2 square plus 1 square. So that is clear now. This part clear or not? Okay. So now after that, look at here. Look, zero here. Our scale is 1 inch. Everywhere 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. When you draw a number line, should have arrow and numbers line. Okay. And our plan is 2 plus 1. So take 2 here. Okay. Then draw perpendicular here, big line. In that, you take 1 inch. So this is 2, here is 1. A here, B here. Join this. Okay. So now look at here. This line OB square equal to 2 square plus 1 square. That is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So then after that, O as center, OB as radius, draw an arc like this. How we did root 2? Like this. This part is root 5. Okay. I'll show you the proof. In triangle OAB, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. That is 2 square plus 1 square. That is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So OB equal to root. Are you okay now? Okay, now you draw. Okay, hope everyone are okay or not, right? Shine, what a stupid question you're asking. You did again, then why are you drawing again? I clear those who are doubt, man. Yes, like small kids. If it is here in my regular class, you will get something from me. Okay, now you're sitting far from me. Okay. So root 5 clear now, right? And you have doubt in root 5. Yeah, your school very rich. DPS very rich. Okay, and GIS. Simplify. In a. Oh, did not start the maths. No maths class. Hey, Haripriya said not started. Okay. And Bhavan's polynomials. We will finish. We will finish this chapter maybe today. Next Saturday we'll finish it. So okay. So almost 1 month, one chapter. Okay. So now, yeah, that's okay. No problem. I'll finish it that also. Okay. So so now can you try next question? Draw root 8 on the number line. Draw root 8 on the number line. Draw root 8 on the number line. Okay. Don't start. First, I'll explain to you. Then after that, you can start. Okay. Draw root 8 on the number line. Close your book. Listen here. Close your book and listen here. Okay. Don't ask any question in between. After that, you can ask any question, no problem. Not only maths, any questions in the world. Okay, you can ask about the current politics or COVID. Okay, anything we can discuss it, no issues. But when I explain, you have to listen here. Okay. Okay. So clear now. I'm going to explain now root 8. Okay. First of all, you decide the scale, you fix it in your mind. Okay. Don't change that one. We took one unit is 1 inch. Maybe you are taking 2 centimeters. There is no issue. That is you decided. Okay, your decision. Okay. Okay. Now, my suggestion: how to split the splitting. Not 7 plus 1. No, Maku Faida. Why? 7 plus 1. 7 is not a perfect square. 6 plus 2. Both are not a perfect square. 3 plus 5. Not a perfect square. 4 plus 4. Okay, you got it now. Okay. That means you write here scale, left side scale. Don't write now 1 unit equal to 1 inch. Okay, then your decisions. It's a part of calculations. Okay, 4 plus 4. Okay, you keep in your mind. Then a number line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here now this is 4 unit. Okay, so look at here. 8 equal to 4 plus 4. That is 2 square plus 2 square. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. When you draw for the competition, that means when you draw root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5. Listen, this picture. Make sure arrow here, and number line also. Okay. Otherwise, I want to check it. Okay. Now, here 2. We need 2 here. Look, draw perpendicular. This perpendicular line depends on your school. If you are using protractor, fine. If you are using compass, use that one. That depends on school. Okay. Here 1, 2. So this is A, this is B. Up to here, okay or not? Okay. Anyone have a doubt here up to here? Anyone doubts? Come on. Anyone have a doubt? Okay. Okay. Now listen here. Then join OB. When you draw, you are trying the steps. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Okay. Understood now? You have to write the steps of constructions. Of course, when you dance, you have steps. When you make chicken curry, you make the steps now first. Okay. Like. Then take the compass, make an arc here. That means here. This is root of 8. The proof in triangle OAB. OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. That is 2 square plus 2 square equal to OB square. So OB equal to root of 8. Okay, draw now and send me the picture. So draw and send me the picture. I'll wait. I told you 2 is from 2. Here 2 unit. Then only work no. We need 2 unit. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Like that. Who this Parshini? Then otherwise how will send it? Hello, Parshini name. Who this MP Parshini? Who this one? Asking me from WhatsApp. Otherwise how will send it? You will come and send. Come on then. Are you coming now? Okay, come the bring the hard copy here now. Okay. Okay, you bring your book. Okay, how you send usually? WhatsApp or you bring the paper? Okay, listen, Ritika, you show here one mark here. To understand here, 1 unit, 1 unit. Just put a tick like this. Ritika, here, just like this. Okay. So the rest all okay, correct. Okay. Then Sri, who is Sri? Sri also same thing. Same thing, but don't write root 8 equal to OB. OB equal to root 8. Sri, SHRI, who this one? Name. Name is no name. Who this one? Name. I can't write your name. Name is root 8. Come on. Okay. Okay. Sri Kumar, I thought your name is you change root 8. Okay. Look at here. This mistakes, listen all. Everything correct. I just want a perfection. Right? OB equal to root 8. OB equal to whatever here. OB equal to OC. Like that. OB equal to OC equal to root 8. Okay. Okay, others, come on. Okay, now 2-3 mistakes. Okay, enough. Then we can manage now. Okay, there is no time to check all. This one Harsha. What is the name Harsha? Okay, Harsha. You are trying the justifications. Okay, Manasi. How you make it red color? Come on. Manasi, why are you writing? Sending the red color paper? No. Why is the picture coming? Okay, this is correct. Rotate everything correct. Okay, but color is I can't read. Okay. Oh, your curtain is red color. That's why. Come on. I thought you are from China, communist. Okay. You from which state? Manasi. Hello. You from which India? Which part? Goa. Oh, Goa. Okay, Goa. Okay. Then. Okay, don't send all. Stop. Now let me finish it. Okay. Dinesh. Okay. Dinesh. Okay. Then others. Others also same thing. You write OB equal root 8. Okay. Okay. This is who this one name I don't know. Priyansh. Okay. Correct. Namida. Namida. Okay. OB equal root 8. Okay. Correct. Okay. Namida. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So far, I don't know the name. Okay. You write OB equal root 8. Okay. ADVT. What is the name? Right. OB equal root 8. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all okay. Naren, okay, Sanjay, not Naren, okay. Okay, correct. Sanjay is correct. Nasrin. Nasrin, what you are doing? Shadow play? Come on. Nasrin, what a picture this is. Some shadow is there. I can't see anything. Then Shreya. Oh, Shreya, fantastic. You wrote everything. Steps of construction, everything is there. Clear now. Shreya, good. Okay, Sean, let me check. Oh, Sean, keeping one pencil also nearby. Okay, this pencil is used. Sean, pencil picture also there. Okay, next one. Okay, it's okay now. Rest all okay. Listen, almost all okay. So there is no issue. You understood now. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. Yeah. Why you cannot send? Okay, Amar not working. What can I do? Okay. Okay, your camera not working. What can I do, man? Okay, look at here now. So now I hope you finish root 8. Okay, look, I'll explain again root 8. Maybe I have, maybe someone have doubt. I'll explain again. Listen here. 1 minute, okay? Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, I'll do it. Okay, sorry, I got a call from my office. Okay, so look at here. Okay, just for information, I'm not only teaching. My full-time work is in another office in KNTC work. So there's some urgent work. That's why my team leader called me. Okay. So, oh, my book gone. Okay. Listen here. You okay now? You can hear me? Okay. 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 I'll explain. Look, I'll explain again how to draw root 8. Okay. Those who are doubt, we can check again. Look at here. So look at here. Okay, the question. No need to draw again. Just listen. Those who made mistake only draw again. Okay, listen here. The question is draw root 8 on the number line. So first of all, the first step you decide the scale. I decide scale 1 unit equal to 1 inch. Okay, then you decide, you keep in your mind or working columns 8 equal to 4 plus 4. So 2 square plus 2 square. Then we come to know the base is 2, height also 2. Okay, all data is equal. Then draw a number line. Nice number line. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here just for a show the number line. Base you are taking 2 unit. Here 2 unit. Draw perpendicular. Perpendicular depends on your class. Either you can use protractor or compass. The protractor guy is very simple. You know that protractor is using, right or no? Keep the protractor here. Just 90 degree. That's only. Okay. Compass also, you make arc and draw it. A big line. Okay. Then now here 2 unit. Here also 2 unit. So you mark 1, 2 like this. A here, B here. Join OB. Okay. This one you have to write the steps of constructions. What you did, all the steps. Okay. Then this one, an arc here from O to B, arc here. This is C. Then we can, this is 2, this also 2, this is root 5. Then you write here in triangle OAB. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. That is 2 square plus 2 square equal to it is 8. So OB equal to root 5. Don't show up, show here down only. Okay. Then you can this is equal to what is OC? OB equal to OC equal to root 5. Clear or not? No. Then including justification you have to write. Is it okay now? Clear now? Yeah, root of 8. Sorry, not root 5, yes, root 8, right. It is root 8. Okay. Okay. Now, my question, write again, right. Draw. Okay, this finish all. Everyone finished. Any questions? Any question? Come on. Now your time. You can ask questions. Anyone have questions? Tell me now. Don't ask in between when I explain time. Okay. Anyone have doubts? Is the competition is compulsory means not everyone should participate. Okay. Everyone should participate. Then only okay. The best one will keep in our notice board. Okay. So make it clear. Should have number line, all the points, arrows and all. Okay. I'll enter the class. I tell you that again. Okay. So now look at here. We are going to draw root 8. I'll draw. Sorry, wait. 2 root 2, how will mark it? 2 root 2, how will make it? Right. Draw. Right. Draw 2 root 2 on the number line. 2 root 2 on the number line. Okay. Priyansh, now there is no chart paper, nothing available here. All the bookshops are closed. How you can buy, man? Okay. We don't have paper at all. So that time we are asking chart. Okay, this is like Louis XIV asked such a questions. The people doesn't have to eat bread. That time asking, okay, eat cake, like that only asking. The Rome king asked once. People suffered without food and all. That time asking, why cannot eat cake instead of bread? Okay, draw this one now. Come on, draw 2 root 2. How to draw 2 root 2? How to draw 2 root 2? Maybe you have, many people doesn't have, so what to do? Whether it is chart paper or color paper or A4 paper or whatever the color of the cow, no issue. Okay, the figure should be clean and correct. That's only. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Actually, what do you draw? 2 root 2. Listen here. 2 root 2, actual meaning is what? It is root 8. Correct or no? Right? 2 root 2 means what? Root 8. So same thing only. Correct or not? No need to draw. Just write there. 2 root 2 equal to root 8. So I don't need to do now. Okay. Maybe the question can be asked this way. Draw 2 root 2. The comments, students careful, they ask like this. Draw 2 root 2. Okay. Okay, now you got how to draw root 8? Guasmate, Shilas. Okay, same thing only. Look, root 2, root 8 is same as what? 2 root 2, same. Correct? You already had this one. Root 8 equal to 2 root 2. That's only same. Now we want to draw again. Okay. Now, next question you try. Root of 13. Root of 13. You draw first. Root of 13, you make it. Root of 13, 1, 3. Root of 13. Okay, draw. Okay. You try root of 13, man. 13 we can write what? 9 plus 4. So 9. 3 square plus 2 square. Why others asking the question? You can try now. 13. 9 plus 4. 3 square plus 2 square. Base is 3 and height is 2. Now you can try others. Okay. This one, Mridula, have you drawn perpendicular using protractor or Mridula, how are you doing? This is protractor or it's not. I think it's a protractor, right? But it's not correct. It's not 90 degrees. Some bend is there. Can you recheck? It's not 90 degree. I think. Your class using protractor only. Okay. So if it is protractor, I think this is not 90. Maybe 89, 88 or 80, like that only. Little 1 milli difference, I said. Maybe my eyes problem. Okay. Rotate. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Correct or no? 89 only. Come on. Mudila, your eyes problem. 89 only. See. 1 milli. 1 degree difference there is. You notice? Mudila, you notice that or no? Yeah. Eyes okay now. Okay, so anyone want to check? Send me. I'll check it now. Okay. Harshi, what is the name? This one. Write your name also. How can I check? Tell you. Okay, this is okay. Mansi, okay. Okay, this is Gautam, okay. Okay, this is okay. Okay, so I hope it's clear now. Okay, we are now listen. We are going to draw another one more case. Okay. This is the last one. Root of 17. Right. Root of 17. 1 7. Root of 17. root of 17, 1 7. Okay, root of, yes, 16 plus 1, 4 square plus 1 square, 4 plus 1. Do first. Ansel, 16 plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 4 unit on the base, 1 unit height. So do it. Ansel, okay now? Okay. Okay. Vidya, listen, who's Vidya? How this is correct, Vidya? You took 3 unit, okay. What about AB, how much you took? Vidya, listen. Hey, Vidya, come on, answer. Root of 13, you took, it is 3 square plus 2 square, right? 3 square plus 2 square. Base, you took 3. Okay. And height, how much you took? Height, how much you took, Vidya? Why 1 unit? Should be 2 unit? No. And it's not perpendicular, it's slanting line. It is 60, it is around 80 degree only, not 9 degree. It is a protractor or compass. Protractor, right? This protractor. So two major mistake is you didn't take the height is 2 unit, only 1 unit. So totally wrong. Okay. So now listen, don't send. I'll explain here. Okay. So don't send. I don't have to. Okay. 13 already explained. No. Okay. 13 you want to explain. Okay. Listen out. First 17 will fix it. First look at here. Look. So look at here now. First root of 17. 17 is 17 equal to 16 plus 1. That is 4 square plus 1 square. Okay, so look at here. Okay, you take it 1, 2, 3, 4 unit. Draw perpendicular. This perpendicular will be straight. This angle should be 9 degree, not slanting like this, not slanting like this. Here 1 unit, just 1 unit. Okay, small one enough. Okay, A here, B here. Join. Then make an arc. This will be root of 17. You can prove 4 square plus 1 square. 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Therefore, OB equal to OC equal to root of 17. Are you okay? Pranav, one okay enough. No need many okays. Okay. Similarly, 13 what? 4 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 base. 2 is height. So that's okay now? You don't have doubt. 13. Yeah, that's no problem. That is no issue. That is no problem. That is same. No, 1 square plus 4 square. 1 plus 16. There's no issue there. 3 square plus 2 square. How much? Yeah, 13. 13. Okay. I'm talking about 13. Okay. That no problem. Change. Which pair? Pranav, tell me which pair. You say another pair. Come on, Pranav. 13. Tell me another pair. 13 justification I'll show you. 13, listen, others. 13 is 14, sorry, 4, 3 square plus 1 square. Right? 3 square plus 1 square. So that is 3 plus 1. Others understood or not? 1 base is 3, height is 1. So 3 square plus 1 square, 9 plus 13, right? No, right? 3 square plus 2 square, height is 2. Okay, now clear now? Okay, I'll give some time, 5 minutes, check all the constructions. Look, the exam point, listen here. Exam point important is root 2, root 3, root 5. That is very important thing. Draw root 5 on the number line, root 3 on the number line, root 2 on the number line. This is only exam point. Okay. And Bhavans may be asked like this, draw 2 root 2. Okay. 2 root 2 means root 8. Okay. Now, check all the constructions. From the last, we check root of 17, root of 13, root of then what you did 8, root of 5. This all check now. If you have doubts, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes till 3:30. You can check it. I'm here. Okay. What to do? What to do? We have to do what? I couldn't hear properly. That is Harsha. That is your issue, no? Rest all guys, no problem. Check your mic, speaker, net, because no one complained that. But now not irrational numbers on the number line. Irrational number, okay. Irrational number only there, no. For intersecting, it will be always come square, not cube. Cube, we not finding now. Okay, later we can find that. Till 20, okay, you can make it more. Root of 27, such a big numbers, how we can draw in the number line? That's the problem. Okay, we can make it. Represent 3 root 2. 3 root 2 is what? 3 root 2 is root of 18. Correct or no? 3 root 2. 9 into 2, root of 18. Root of 18 is what? Okay, fine. Wonderful question that. Lohida, that is a good question you ask. Okay, 3 root 2 equal to root of 18. So we can take 9 plus 9. 3 square plus 3 square. Okay, write that question. Good question. Write this question, everyone. Draw 3 root 2 on the number line. Draw 3 root 2. Write all. Write 3 root 2 on the number line. Okay. 3 root 2 on the number line. You know that 3 root 2 is root of 18. Okay, 18 we can make it 18 equal to 9 plus 9. That is 3 square plus 3 square. Base is 3, height is also 3. Do it now. Madhula, I told you do this question. Then I'll explain your question. You find root of, not a set, root of 18, 3 root 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, let's finish all. I have finished now, right? Okay. Look at here. Everyone finish or not? I'll wait. Is it okay or not? Finish or not? Okay, so now listen here. Root of 18 is 3 and 3. Okay, now one question and answer here. There is a question here. Somebody asked, many questions came. Okay, why not doing root of 10? Okay, look, who asked that? Root of 10. Root of 10 who? Okay, Midula. Okay, listen here. Your question is a very genuine question. Okay, very good question. Midula, listen here. Hey, listen all. I'll answer to all. Okay. Okay. We can represent any real number on the number line. Okay. Listen. Any number on the number line. Any real number. Even root of 10.5, root of 4.5, root of 11, we can represent. Root of 7, we can represent. Okay, clear now? Any questions? Sorry, any real number. We discussed already. Every real number have a unique point on the number line. That is a unique. Suppose your mobile number is your number only. Okay, if that same number not for another person, correct or no? Maybe in another country, but with code. Suppose one number is 456, your mobile number. 4568. That's your number. It's a unique number. That same number, no chances to another guys. Correct or no? Like that, every real number have a unique point on the number line. Even it is rational or irrational. That means all rational numbers or irrational numbers in between or together, all real numbers have a unique point on the number line. That means all real numbers have a unique point on the number line. Okay. Now, but we doing some particular points only. That means root 2, root 3, root of 5. Then you did root of 8. Okay, root of 10 we can do. 9 plus 1, 3 square plus 1 square, we can do it. We will do now. Okay. Then root of 12, we can do it. Okay. Root of 13, we did. Root of 11, root of 11 minus c, we can do it. That's another method is coming. Maybe look at here. How we'll draw root of 4.5? How we'll make it? Because wait, listen. 5. Look at here. I just concluding this. After that, I'll show you that. Okay. Okay, because we have many. The only thing you have to check, your notes regularly because many questions there is. Those who are writing properly, maybe 100 pages over now, right? Many pages over in your book. So many questions is there. Okay, compared to the reader, because I combine for second book. Come on, okay. Okay, only one chapter only finished, not only finished. Listen, I combine many books, almost 10 book. I refer it. In addition to last 35 years, I'm in this picture in class. 35 years, not one or two. That database in my mind. That only main I'm using. So that's why you cannot find out our questions not in any books. It's my data. The last class, someone asked me, "It's in RD." Okay, it's maybe something in RD, maybe in Ascent. You like the questions? Oswald, reliable, many books there is. In addition that, same book I'm teaching 35 years. Okay, so that database in my mind. Okay, so so now look at here. We just concluding. See the five we did. For this is the best plan like this. Make it split into two perfect squares. 5 equal to 4 plus 1. So then we can make 2 square plus 1 square. Okay. Some students ask me, can make it, we took base as 2, height is 1. Okay, same thing you can make it. Base is 1, height is 2. There is no issue. Are you okay? My question understood? Suppose we took base is 2, height is 1. If anyone take base is 1, height is 2, that's not haram. It is correct. Because Tom and Jerry and Tom, what's the problem? An issue. Because 2 square plus 1 square same as 1 square plus 2 square. We can take that order, no problem. Are you okay? That I hope that doubt's clear now. Who asked the doubt? That is clear. We can take 2 square plus 1 square same as 1 square plus 2 square. Okay. Next one we did 8. 8 we did 4 plus 4. That is 2 square plus 2 square. Base is 2, height is 2. Then we did 13. 9 plus 4. 3 square plus 2 square. Then we did 18. No, 17. 16 plus 1. 4 square plus 1 square. Then 18. We did 9 plus 9. 3 square plus 3 square. Then someone suggest me root of 10. Root of 10 we can make it 9 plus 1. 3 square plus 1 square. Are you okay now? Okay. Okay, that is all coming, man. Okay, just try. There is no actually. It is irrational. Okay, I'm asking this question. Okay. When we are discussing that related subject, ask. Okay. Now look at here. So, but when you draw, listen. When you draw, it will be clear picture. It should be 90, exact 90, not 89, not 91 like that. Okay. So now, okay, you finish that suggested one now. Root of 10, you do it now. Root of 10, do it first. Okay, draw first. Root of 11 and all coming, man. J. It is coming. Just step by step only we can do. How can I all the question together? We can make it root of 11, root of 7, root of 6, even root of 11.5, 11.1. Okay, that may be next episode. No, 9 plus 2. 2 is what? 2 is not a perfect square. No, there is a method there is. What the in AI asking, how can I draw it horizontally? What is the problem? 9 plus 1, 3 square plus 1 square, 3 and 1. Okay, so clear now. So next one, there is one more construction is there. Okay, so that we'll do next class only. Before that, now you close your geometry box and all. Okay, close the geometry box. Now we'll do next part. Okay, I'm talking about this one, the competition part. Okay, I'll make clear that how to draw the competition part. Listen on. So you can not decide today. Okay, it's not, 2 days you take it, Thursday or Friday, no problem. Okay, look at here. Don't use the compass. This will be very complicated figure. Look at here. Here, first you draw. So a big line, 0, 1. Better take to fit. Take 1 centimeter because we are drawing many things. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Scale is, but in this case it takes scale 1 centimeter 1 unit. Okay, here this is 1, this is 1, root 2. You make it, you mark root 2. Then again, protractor use in this case. Again 1, this one, root 3, like this. Again 1, 1, this is root 3. So root of 4. When you draw this one, it will touch exactly 2. If not touching, something wrong with you. Okay. Again 1. This is root 5. Okay. Then again 1. So this is root 6. Like that you draw. Okay. See, I'll show you this one. Look here. I'll send a picture in our group. This one for information. This is the one. Once not the first one. This figure. Okay. Last year, first one. This one. Okay. This is the last year first. 2 years back first. They are twins. The first and second both are got first one. The twins got. This is the okay. Okay. So now clear now what are the homeworks to do. Okay. So now we are going to another sections. We have 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, close your geometry box and everything, close it. Now we are going to draw the not one more construction. I'll show that one how to make it root of 10.5, 9.3, root of 11. This all I'll show you next class. Okay. Now, right. Give an example. Give an example. Give, right, question. Give, this is important questions, okay? Give an example. Give an example. Each of two irrational numbers, of two irrational numbers, of two irrational numbers, of two irrational numbers whose sum is a rational number. Sum is a rational number. Question again. Give an example whose sum is a rational number. Two irrational number, when we add, we'll get a rational number. Okay. Can you suggest? You should thorough about what is rational, what is irrational. Question is two irrational numbers. Listen, two irrational numbers. The sum is rational. When you add, there is no root sign like that. Okay, two irrational numbers, not one. Root 2 plus root 2 is what? 2 root 2. Come on, no use. Root 2 plus root 2. 1 orange plus 1 orange, 2 orange, like that. Root 3 plus root 6. Root 3 plus root 6, not root 9. Don't add that. Root 7 plus root 9, how come it? No. Root 1 plus root 1, root 2 is again irrational. Listen, once again, root 3 plus root 3. It is not root 6. It is 2 root 3. Root 8 plus root 1. It is not root 9. Okay? When we add, listen, you think about two irrational number. When we add, we get a rational number without root sign. Before starting, you confused. Look at here. Root 3 plus root 3. This is not equal to root 6. It is what? 2 root 3. And root 2 plus root 2 not equal to root of 4. It is what? 2 root 2. Root of 8 plus root of 1 not equal to root of 9. It is what? 1 plus root 8. That only. Okay. Now you think about root 4 and root 9. Root 4 is it is not an irrational number. It is a rational number. Akshaya. Root of 4 is not an irrational number, it is a rational number. 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, what? 6 root 2. Come on, answer. 3 root 2 plus 6, 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, 6 root 2, not a rational number. Root, again, why I only ask same thing, same stupid things. Root of 4 plus root of 5, what? Root of, not root of 9. Two root 1, 2 root 1. What's the meaning? 2 root 1. No meaning that. Root of 1 is what? Root of 1 is 1 only. It is a rational number. Not irrational. It is rational. Okay. So to answer this one, you need no root of 1 is Haripriya. Root of 1 is 1. It is a rational number. To understand this one, you should go back to our original note, the first two classes. Root 0.5 what? Root 0.5 plus root 0.5, 2 root 0.5. First of all, what is a listen? First of all, you listen. What is the rational number? What is the irrational number? Okay. Listen. Rational numbers means what? Like suppose root 4, rational number. Root of 3, irrational numbers. Why? Root of 4 we can write 2 into 2. Like that, any number will get root 3. Any two numbers multiply 2 times will get root 3. No. Okay, there is one Akshaya. Now you said root. What you said? Root 5 minus root 5. Root of 16 is 4. Ame. Oh, Ame. It is root of 16 is rational number only. 0 what man? 0 is root of 0 is 0 only. Is a rational number only. Minus root 2 and plus root 2. That is okay. It will work. Who said that? Minus root 2 plus root 2. Look at here. That is will work. Listen here. Look. So now look. This one works. Minus root 2 comma root 2. Two irrational number. Right. Minus root 2 plus root 2. What will get? 0. 0 is a rational number. Or we can say, look, another example, best example. Maybe school will not allow same number. 2 plus root 2 comma 3 minus root 2. What is this? First number is 3. What he said, root 2 and minus root 2 same. Root 5 and minus root 5 same. But usually BPS don't accept that. They want different numbers. Okay. 3 root 2 comma 3 minus root 2. What happened? 2 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2. Cancel. 2 plus 3 what? 5 is a rational number. Clear now? Clear or not? Okay. So do next. Everyone go to our first notes. Class first class 28th March we did what is rational, what is irrational. Also, you read your reader. Then come to me next class. Okay. So then I can do it. Otherwise, waste the time on. You learn today itself. Okay. Before you sleep, read what is the rational number, what is the irrational number. Also read your reader plus our notebook. Okay. This is the work we have to do it. Okay. Clear now? And Wednesday, same time only. Don't ask me what the time Wednesday, what the time and same time. Okay, fixed now.